This is the scariest noise ever recorded, and it's no surprise that these three families had to leave their home and move away from the town. In the middle of the night, they started hearing strange noises coming from the basement. At first, they thought it was just pipes or maybe some rats. But then the sound started to get more intense. One day, a young girl was playing in the basement when she heard a knock. She ran upstairs and told her parents about it, but they just laughed it off. "It's just your imagination," her dad said. "There's nothing down there." But the girl insisted that she had heard something. And as the days went by, the knocks became louder and more frequent. One night, the family was awoken in their beds by what sounded like screams in the basement. They ran downstairs to investigate, but they couldn't find anything. As they were about to go back upstairs, they noticed that all of the basement windows had been smashed and the screen doors ripped off their hinges. The family called the police, but they didn't find anything. And as the sun came up, they saw that all of their belongings had been neatly arranged in piles. They quickly packed up their things and left town. And to this day, nobody knows what happened to them.